Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony SRS-XG300 speaker and I'm going to tell you how to enable LED lights. Let me take these decorations from here, and now we have to turn our speaker upside down. As you can see, here we have some shield. We have to unwing this shield like that. It may be difficult for some people like me. And here, as you can see, have a button called light, this one. Now you can see that our LED lights are turned on. They are very low brightness, but we can see them. As you can see, disabled, enabled. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.